I'm just walking home, and I've never seen so many starlings just on the ground. I wonder will they take off if I walk over. Very cool, random little birdies. That's everything I'm throwing out.
There's been no comment from Joyce Sacco.
So Simon went to the shop to get food for dinner tonight, and he had to get an aubergine. He wasn't sure which one to get.
Well, I can't tell if you're meant to do it by feel or anything. So I got this one.
Sure you can see, but it's got a wee nose.
I'm going to draw some eyes on it and then chop it up. Now, who do I hate?
You big child.
Yeah. It's too warm. Let me stick my head in the freezer.
Don't stick your head in the freezer.
Well, I'll take my hat off first.
Okay. Weirdo.
I wouldn't get in it.
Please don't get in the freezer. Stop picking the aubergine's nose. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I'm just on my way to meet my sister-in-law to go for a jog / walk. We're gradually building up to running 5 kilometres. Supposed to go yesterday and I got my days confused, so going today. I'm also on my way to the charity shop to drop off books. You would have seen I cleared off the bookshelves. They are much tidier now. I'll show you in the daylight and they look much better. There's still a wee bit of clutter where I'm organising our wedding stuff, but generally it's a lot better. I'm slowly decluttering the flat because it's driving me insane. But yeah, so still got a bit of a cold, which is not helping with the breathing. So we'll hope I don't end up just not being able to breathe. That would not be good. That would not be a successful jog at all. But I did have myself a nice smoothie for breakfast until I have something proper when I get back. So yes, hope you're having a nice morning. I will catch up with you in a wee bit. We hopefully should be going to a vintage fair and stuff later, so yeah, catch up with you then. Oh, so just on my way back, we did 4.5 miles of walking and jogging. We're gradually working up to doing 5k. I'm sorry I'm out of breath, I just came up the big hill, so I'm a bit knackered now. But the sun has really come out and I forgot my sunglasses like a muppet. But it was really good. We covered more ground today for the first time and we're gradually getting there, which is good. Next one is on Tuesday. We're going to meet and I think we're going to be running more. So we're on week 2 of the what is it? Couch to 5k app. So we've been using that, and then we missed a week because I was injured. So we still managed to cover quite a bit of ground. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind. It is a bit windy, which is lovely because I am overheating like really. But yes, so I'm just going to go now, have a hot shower, have some breakfast, and then get ready to go in to the vintage fair. Woo! See you in a wee bit. So we're just on our way to the vintage fair. Hello Simon. I have to figure out where the mic is in this. It's always coming across really quiet.
Put your hands on it.
No, I think it's there. Anyway, sorry. Yes, we're recording. We're just on our way to the vintage fair. We're going to stop off and get a bit of cash and then pop in. I think it's in the core exchange. Are you funny faces at me? So yeah, we'll take you with us when we pop in. lucky girl. I just got in from dancing and Simon is making up, well, he's currently making up the sauce for
Meatballs.
meatballs. Yay! What's that? Balsamic vinegar. Doesn't it look good? Well, it looks better in real life. Yummy, yummy. Spoiled girl. I'm very spoiled girl. We're having meatballs and chips. Sort of healthy, right? Yes, I think so. Spoiled girl. But we didn't finish up the vlog from Sunday. So, what was that? We went to the vintage fair.
I went off and watched the Gaelic football.
Yeah, Simon went and watched the All-Ireland final between Kerry and Donegal.
I took my Serbian friend who only ever used to play American football or basketball.
Yes.
He walked in and said it was very silly, and then about 10 minutes into it, he's
Thoroughly enjoying himself.
yeah.
What did I do? I came home and I came home and watched an old black and white film with my sister-in-law. Excuse me. Gassy pants. Black and white film with my sister-in-law, and then fed my little niece some chocolate ice cream, and she ended up with it pretty much all over herself and her clothes and everything surrounding her. It was quite amusing. So there was that, and then Simon came home, we hung out, and it's generally just been a bit of a quiet week since then.
I ended up having 3 hours of sleep before getting up for work at 4:30 in the morning.
Yes. Sorry, sweetie.
I've got to do it again tomorrow, so they keep me up.
Okay.
They're bouncing on the bed and running around like a silly fool.
That guy would do such a thing. That's generally what you do.
No sugar for you.
I hope you've not put sugar in that.
No, you usually meant to put like a little bit in.
I don't think you need to.
I haven't tried it yet.
Do you want me to turn it up to bring it to bubble?
No, it's alright.
Oh. Come on, or two.
I can turn it up.
Woohoo! I'm turning it up like a whole one notch. What else did we do? Oh, recycling will have to be done again this weekend. Oh, that's the meatballs. Yummy, yummy. What else?
Make chips.
Yeah. What else we get up to this week? Not a whole pile, really.
Working.
Yeah, working. I did some dance training on Monday and ended up taking off into a jump kind of badly, and it's hurt my leg, and now I can't really dance at the minute, which is just excellent. Pilates went for Pilates lunchtime Tuesday, which did I do? Yes, I did do. And went for a jog on Tuesday, which is my jog walk with my sister-in-law. We're now running for 90 seconds and walking for 2 minutes, so it's gradually increasing.
So it looks like you've missed the bus. When they go.
Like what, Simon?
Like you've missed the bus and you don't want anyone to realise you've missed the bus, so you slow down.
No, not quite like that. Lunatic.
It's just me then.
Yep, just you. What else have we got up to? Wednesday was...
I went to the gym today, got changed and realised I left one of my trainers at work.
Yes, Simon's a bit silly. But you went to the gym yesterday as well. So, you know. You don't need to do it too much. Oh, did you turn it back down again? Damn it, Simon!
No?
Yes, you did. He did. That was totally in 4.
No, it wasn't.
Now it's at 3. What other fun? Yesterday, I was teaching. I taught some dancing for a bit. And then... God, it keeps making me move.
Well, I do washing up and then I'm going to go jump in the shower.
Taught some dancing for a bit. And then I had more Pilates yesterday. And then today was a busy day at work, which was pretty good. Busy. And then was teaching again this evening. Simon's pulling weird faces at me.
I was watching you on telly.
He's a bit special. But yeah, so a busy week and stuff. That's been the noise of the week, which is quite sad. We still have all the works going on outside the window. Oh, Simon's trying to ruin the place. Yeah, we've still got, you can't really see, but we've got loads of scaffolding outside the window. You can see a ladder right there, sort of, you know, right there. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching the vlog. Say thank you, Simon.
Thank you for watching the vlog.
And high fives. Oh, silly Simon. But yes, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and high five. And next time, if you're lucky, I'll poke Simon in the face. Don't you think Simon should do some cooking videos? We've said this before. I still think he should do them.
I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm just throwing stuff in.
That's half the fun though. It's all the good stuff.
I haven't killed you yet.
Nope. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot on for now. So thanks a million for watching and we'll catch up with you soon. Bye!
Bye!